Sometimes winning can be ugly, like...
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look who's in the lead.
That time I was at a state fair midway water squirt game and clobbered my workplace nemesis and an innocent young girl who was playing between us.
You're supposed to let the kids win, Jason. That's super embarrassing for you.
What is wrong with me? That wasn't good. Neither is this win that feels a lot like a loss too. For the 11th year in a row, Texas is the hail capital of the U.S. It wasn't even close. 902 hail events here with major damage in 2025, resulting in a lot of claims. So let's just do some of the math. Last year, the largest home insurer here, State Farm, covered almost 20% of insured homes here in Texas. They processed more than 95,000 hail-related claims. The average payment, $15,000, for a total of $1.4 billion for hail damage. And again, they covered about 1 out of every 5 insured homes. So imagine that multiplied by 5. State Farm says homeowners should be choosing impact-resistant materials. That could be a metal roof or those extra hardened shingles we talked about here before. In fact, I took you to the South Carolina lab where the insurance industry pays to have those tested. And they say Texas leads the country in the number of homes covered by impact-resistant shingles, but not long ago, I got a message from an independent insurance agent who pointed out that those higher-grade shingles can have disadvantages as well. He warned that some insurance companies are not covering for cosmetic damage to those roofs, just structural damage. He recounted how one man here had his roof claim declined. That's because even though there were visible hail marks, it was still structurally sound. He says if it would have not been an impact-resistant shingle roof, the insurer would have replaced it. So, if you have a roof made of metal or those stronger shingles, beware, it could get dented and dinged and denied when you try to file a claim if that damage is just cosmetic, even though that cosmetic damage could diminish your home's appearance and possibly its value and its insurability if you switch carriers someday and they, as they often do now, take an aerial look at your roof. If you have one of these stronger roofs, check to see if your policy includes a cosmetic damage exclusion. And if it does, is it possible to remove that exclusion? And if so, how much does that add to your premium? More about this in my article today posted on my socials, where unlike that infamous contest at the state fair, I try to be a good guy and help everybody win at the game of staying right on the money.